What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm back with a very important update on Speedy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright guys, unfortunately I have to be honest with you, Bitcoin looks like it's going to zero. It has pulled back from 99,800 down to 96,700. At least that's what crypto Twitter seems to be telling me. But on a real note right now, it does seem like Bitcoin is finally getting the pullback that I've been telling you guys about. The reality is that we were getting extremely overbought on the daily time frame. I've been telling you guys in every single video that it is rare for an asset to continue pumping when the RSI is this overbought. So what I'd be looking for personally is for this flag to continue filling out, and while this flag fills out, the RSI and stochastics would have time to actually reset. And then price action could potentially come down here and get a bounce off of the 21-day moving average as a support level. If I was looking to get into Bitcoin, these are the support levels that I'd be looking for. However, again, because we went so parabolic, I also wouldn't be shocked if we did break the 21-day. It really wouldn't surprise me if we came down here to retest this previous traffic. But I also do want to point out that on the 10-day time frame, we still look great as well. We have had this bull flag drawn for months, and I've been telling you guys that the measure move of this bull flag is around $118,000. But the entire time I've been saying 100,000 is going to be a major psychological barrier, and we literally got rejected at 99,800. So we'll see if it can pump through, but again, obviously this is not a bad pullback. Pullbacks are inevitable. You have to understand that in crypto. If you look at the meme coin market right now, Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop a little bit. 3 days ago, it was over 60%. Now it's 58.5%. But it is still extremely high. And a lot of people out there are freaking out about meme coins, but they don't understand Bitcoin dominance. Meme coins and altcoins, they don't run when Bitcoin is skyrocketing. They start to run after Bitcoin starts trading sideways because profits get rotated. If you look at Dogecoin, for example, it's down 11% in the last 24 hours. SHIB is down 9%. Pepe is down 10%. The whole market is bleeding in the last day. It is just a straight line of red. And obviously, as you scroll down into the mid caps, it's no different. The entire market is bleeding right now. So then obviously when you come over and look at a project like Speedy right now, people are panicking, yet the entire market is bleeding. Now, yes, Speedy is down at an $8.23 million market cap. In my last Speedy video, I was talking about how 10 mil is a very strong support level. And it was. We had retested 10 mil several different times and it was holding. But obviously we did fall through that support level. Now, right now, I just want to look at Speedy as unbiased as possible. Now, understand I am invested in this project, so I can't look at it completely unbiased. But right now, if I was looking at this chart just like any other chart, I would evaluate it like this. So the reality of the situation is that Speedy is still not even 2 months old. This project released on September 26th. It is currently November 24th. So it's literally less than 2 months old. How many projects out there do you know that have ran to a $43 million market cap in 2 months? Not very many. But anyways, Speedy had this parabolic run. It got sold off a little bit and then it ran up and broke all-time highs again. Ever since then, we have been in a little bit of a downtrend and then we finally had a little breakout, but then that breakout got rejected. Now, yes, ever since then, Speedy has been bleeding, but the last several days look like they are starting to flatten out. You can see right here that that $8 million range has been a very strong support level. Now, because we're bouncing, I would go back and I would look at why. And you can see this is where we were previously ranging in mid-October. We were ranging from around 10 million to 5 million. So as long as 5 million does not break for Speedy, honestly, I'm not going to be that worried. This is still a textbook retracement. You guys have to understand that meme coins have massive pullbacks. The pullback on Speedy right now has been about 83%, give or take. I mean, that's a huge pullback, but it's not unnatural in meme coins. I understand right now if you were someone who bought over 40 million that you were at a significant loss. But I will say also, I don't know why you would have bought at 40 million. I've been posting on YouTube about Speedy since around a $420,000 market cap. So you guys still would be in significant profit right now for my first video. If you guys chased a project that ran up over a 100x, then I don't know what to tell you. The reality is that right now, these are the times that you should be loading up if you believe in this project. Again, none of this is financial advice. Obviously, Speedy could go to zero tomorrow. But what I want to point out right now is the Speedy X account. Do you see the Speedy team and the Speedy community dying? They're now up to 6,750 followers. And they post on here like 5 or 6 times a day, if not even more than that. This is the exact kind of thing that you want to see in a meme coin. There are so many people just sitting here acting like Speedy is a rug pull and it's going to zero. Again, I can't tell you with certainty that it's not going to go to zero. But when I'm looking for a project that has the potential to reverse, I want to see a very active team, a very active community. And Speedy 100% has that. They literally post new artwork every single day, and they still have very nice influencers backing them. So yeah, obviously I've talked about Speedy many different times on this channel. My opinion on this project has not changed. Again, I understand some of you guys bought significantly higher, so you are currently at a loss. But me being as unbiased as I possibly can be right now, we are retesting a previous support level. Personally, I don't see any reason to sell at the moment. Obviously, that's a decision that you're going to have to make on your own. But as long as that $5 million range doesn't break, then I'm not really going to be all that worried. This right here could end up being a perfect accumulation zone. What I also want to show you guys right now is the Turbo chart. This is very important just so you guys can get some perspective. So Turbo initially launched in May of 2023. It ran up to over $100 million market cap. What happened for all of the months after that? It just bled out and bled out and bled out and bled out. And you can see right here, it's trading around that $5 million range. The low, 4.6 million, 4.49 million, 3.79 million. Turbo ran from a $100 million market cap down to a $3 million market cap. And it was like 6 or 7 months before Turbo bounced again. And it ran up to like 50 million. And then it bled out again for a long period of time. And now obviously Turbo is sitting at a $487 million market cap, and it ran up to around $1 billion market cap. And why did Turbo run? Because the community never gave up on the project. It is a very similar situation to what we are seeing with Speedy. You look at Speedy and the community is still extremely active. In my opinion, a dead project is not going to be posting on X 5 times a day. But at the end of the day, there's not much else for me to say about this project. If you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Speedy, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. And as I said, I initially posted it at a $178,000 market cap, so it ran up over a 200x for us. One of my most recent calls was MOODENG, which I posted at a $2.3 million market cap, and it ran over 180 million. We're closing in on another 100x here. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys believe in Speedy long term. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.